So you're getting ready to go on Social Security, either Social Security retirement or disability, but you got some bad debts and you want to know if they can come after you. So the answer is, if it is a state, local, or federal tax lien, they're coming for their money. Yeah, they will do it. They can take 15% a month for back taxes. If you owe just like credit card debt and other debtors, they cannot come after you. Okay, that they can't get your Social Security. If you owe back child support, they can take up to 50% for back child support. If you owe back alimony, they can garnish your Social Security and your disability for back alimony. Again, regular debts that you have, they cannot garnish your Social Security. And the most they can take, if you, let's say you have back child support and you have taxes, the most they can take out of each paycheck is 60%. The only other thing that can garnish your Social Security is if you have a defaulted federal student loan. So if you're not yet in a default, don't go into default or get out of default, and you can make whatever payments you can negotiate. But if you're already defaulted, then they're going to take their percentage too. Again, they can't take total of everybody that's taken out of you, can't take more than 60% of your Social Security. And this also counts for disability. A lot of people think, well, they can't come after me because I'm disabled and I need it. Well, they are. Federal, state, local, taxes, child support, alimony, defaulted federal student loans. The rest of the debtors can't come after you. If you have more questions about Social Security and retirement, check out our website, themedicarefamily.com. I have a lot of great retirement guides up there, cheat sheets, and things to get you ready for retirement. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.